The fields command is one of the most fundamental and powerful commands in Splunk search processing language. It allows you to control which fields appear in your search results by either including specific fields you want to see or excluding fields you don't need. This command serves two primary purposes. First, it helps you include only the fields that are relevant to your analysis, and second, it allows you to exclude unwanted fields to clean up your results. By using the fields command strategically, you can significantly optimize your search performance and focus your output on exactly what matters for your investigation. The fields command follows a simple and intuitive syntax structure. To include specific fields in your results, you use the pipe symbol followed by the word fields, then list the field names separated by commas. For example, pipe fields field 1, field 2, field 3. To exclude specific fields from your results, you use the same structure but add a minus sign before the field names. This would look like pipe fields minus field 1, field 2, field 3. The minus sign is the key indicator that tells Splunk to remove these fields rather than keep them. This basic syntax forms the foundation for all fields command operations. When you want to focus on specific fields in your search results, the include syntax is your best friend. Let's look at a practical example using weblog data. If you search index equals web_logs, and then pipe the results to fields client IP, status, bytes, Splunk will return only these three specified fields from your weblog results. The output would be a clean, organized table showing just the client IP addresses, HTTP status codes, and byte counts for each log entry. This approach is particularly useful when you're working with data sources that have many fields, but you only need a few specific ones for your analysis. It eliminates visual clutter and makes your results much easier to read and interpret. Sometimes it's more efficient to remove unwanted fields rather than specify which ones to keep. The exclude syntax uses a minus sign to tell Splunk which fields to remove from your results. Consider this example with security logs. Index equals security_logs pipe fields -_raw, _time, host. This command removes the raw event data, timestamp, and host information while keeping all other fields intact. This is particularly useful when you want to clean up your results by removing verbose fields like _raw, which contains the complete original log entry and can make results difficult to read. The exclude approach works well when you have mostly relevant fields but need to remove just a few that are cluttering your output. The fields command provides significant performance benefits that make it essential for efficient Splunk searches. First, it enables faster processing by reducing memory usage and processing time. When you limit the fields early in your search pipeline, Splunk has less data to transfer between different processing stages, which speeds up your entire search. Second, the fields command creates cleaner, more focused results that make analysis easier and more efficient. Instead of scrolling through dozens of irrelevant fields, analysts can quickly focus on the data that matters most for their investigation. These performance improvements become especially noticeable when working with large datasets or complex searches that involve multiple processing steps. Following best practices with the fields command will maximize its effectiveness in your Splunk searches. The first key practice is early filtering. Use the fields command as early as possible in your search pipeline to get maximum performance benefits. Place it after your initial search criteria, but before heavy processing commands like stats, eval, or join. The second important practice is smart selection between include and exclude approaches. Choose to include fields when you only need a few specific fields from a dataset with many fields. Choose to exclude fields when you want to remove just a few problematic fields while keeping most others. This decision should be based on your specific use case and the total number of fields in your data source. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.